Hello gamers, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to fix your Steam download speed if you're facing slow speeds difficulties. I hope this video might help. Let's dive into it. So first thing we're going to do is open Steam. After this, go to Steam settings. So you click on the Steam icon, top left, and then Steam settings. Then you go to download settings, and then from here you can see where there's download region, right? So you choose a region which is close to you. So mine automatically is on East Africa, and I'm actually close to East Africa. So then again, it has to be less congested, but I'd rather take the one which is closer to my region. So it'll prompt you to restart, so you could restart later or now, but if you want it to take effect immediately, so just restart it just there and then it will restart, and there we go. So this might fix the download slow speed, but if it doesn't, we do have another thing that we could do. We could just go to settings again, you go to Steam settings, and then you go to downloads, and then you go to clear cache. Scroll down to clear cache. So clear cache. So, but if you do this, well, you have to be careful, because if you do have something that is downloading, well, it will cancel that. So it means that you need to restart other downloads. So you clear your cache,